What is your take? Buy Bitcoin or not? You're welcome to another edition of my regular videos. It will be well appreciated if you can like my video and subscribe it as well. It will help really massively to my channel, and my videos will get enough engagement to be pushed to a brand new audience. I promise you, you'll enjoy this video till the end, and I can assure you. You can check out a related video like how to invest £1,000 in 2021, amongst many others. Let's go in depth about the subject of discussion, where I'll be sharing with you my thoughts and beliefs when it comes to investing in Bitcoin. You will all agree with me that Bitcoin is not straightforward to understand. You must have seen the photos of the gold coin on the social media, yet it is confusing to comprehend. If you have been questioning whether to buy Bitcoin or not, this video is for you. But before I begin to share with you my opinion about Bitcoin, keep in mind to watch this video till the end. Don't miss this information for anything. How I started my Bitcoin journey. A few years ago, in 2017, I went to central London for a Bitcoin course. I must confess, it wasn't very clear throughout. I'm not a Bitcoin expert, but I can help you with the beneficial tips on how you should make your investment. I got into Bitcoin investment a few years ago when it was making headlines. Everybody was talking about it. That was when I started to educate myself on Bitcoin. However, I knew about it for years before then, but I didn't think that much about it. I started getting attention when the news about Bitcoin seems to be everywhere I go. I went ahead to read more about it and so many articles, and I watched YouTube videos on it and to gain more insight into it. Google wasn't left out. I did all the necessary research to get a well-detailed explanation about it. I also went ahead to purchase a few online courses to know what blockchain is and what the whole system is about. I kept on learning, though it was looking so unreal to me. Buying Bitcoin is relatively easy, but understanding what it's all about is what seems to be complicated. Indeed, you may be eager to know how much I started with. I began my investments with only £500. I wasn't so confident even after all my research, and taking few courses on it, that was why I didn't invest more than £500. In September 2020, I saw that the 500 had become 1,000. I realized that I missed the opportunity only if I was confident enough to have invested more than. Keep watching to know the reason behind this decision of sticking to investing low. When it comes to cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, it will help if you understand that it's not my number one investment. It is not the essential thing I invest in because I am a responsible investor and I'm accountable for my money. Besides, no one likes to lose money. We all want to keep multiplying our wealth. This is why care needs to be taken when it comes to investment. If you are a subscriber, you would have watched many videos on my channel about my various investments advice. I'm confident that it did work out well for you. I'm more concerned with investing in assets and successful companies, especially those I think that they will keep doing well for over a long period. They do not have the volatility and the risk factor that comes with investing in. Cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, I believe Bitcoin should be worth more in the future than it's right now. I like the utility if it's because I can see the game back of it, and has been making a success despite the issue of the pandemic and other factors. As an investor, I like to see things for what it is and not what I wish it were. Before making my investments, I already know the risk associated with my decision. And I see Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency as high risk, high rewarding investment. What increases my confidence more after doing all the necessary research is that even some top investors and companies like PayPal, Square and Grayscale are accepting Bitcoin and allowing people to buy cryptocurrencies through their platforms. What about Tesla? A week ago, 10 days ago, when they invested 1.5 billion. Things I did before making any investment. Before investing, I make sure I have some money saved to use for an emergency should come up. I don't put my emergency fund into anything, and it's only there for protection. When making my investments, I ensure I'm doing so in a long-term asset, and I make use of diversified portfolio like investing in company stocks and real estate. Just as I mentioned it earlier, I invest very little in Bitcoin, and my most significant investment cannot be something as confusing as Bitcoin. It is my belief. I understand that you are entitled to your opinion as well. You can decide not to put more than 1% of your portfolio into cryptocurrency or Bitcoin to be on a safer side of the game. But if you feel like you have so much trust in what you are doing, you can invest much more. Whatever amount you are investing into, keep in mind that it should be something you are ready to let go of, but things don't go as you expect. I'm not prepared to take a high level of risk for Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency. If you have an increased risk tolerance and you want to invest much in it, that is fine. I started investing back in September, October, November, and last month as well in January. My mindset about Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. I have this belief that my investment in Bitcoin should be what I am ever ready to lose. If I lose, it's not my life savings, and it's not all I have. I have weighed my risk before going into it, and I'm comfortable with what I'm doing. In a long time to come, Bitcoin will make history. It either turns out to be massively successful, or it can be otherwise. Let's keep watching to see how it all ends up in a few years to come. Though with the high comeback rate, I'm optimistic that will turn out well. Let's see the best investing strategy. There is no doubt investing in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies are risky. I do not recommend you investing money you cannot afford to lose. You can wake up tomorrow and Bitcoin may be up or down. As an investor, I invest only the money I can afford to lose, especially in Bitcoin. If it turns out to be a successful investment, I'm very happy, acceptable. But should in case I lose, then it won't be a big blow to me. How to buy Bitcoin? Investing in Bitcoin can seem so difficult, just as discussed earlier in the beginning of this video, but you can make it much easier for yourself by breaking it down into steps. You can use exchanges like Coinbase, and you can use Cold Wallet to keep your Bitcoin investment safe. After creating a cryptocurrency exchange account, it is essential to use safe internet practices to protect your investment. This includes using a password that is unique. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency wallets are places to store your digital assets. Only you have the private key to your funds. The private key prevents you from the risk of losing your fund or getting your account hacked. Cold Wallet is a wallet that is not connected to the internet. It has a lesser risk compared to other wallets. Your Cold Wallet private key is stored on something that is not connected to the internet. You can view your portfolio without risking your private key. Should you invest? Everyone should try to buy Bitcoin, but do it appropriately. Have a piece of it since no one is definite about what will happen in 5 years to come. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my ideas and thoughts about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well as investing videos. I'm sharing my opinion with you. This is entertainment videos only. It is best to invest only a portion of your money into Bitcoin. Do not use what you cannot afford to part ways with. Be a smart investor like me by starting with a very small amount. Though I understand that everyone is different, we all have different approaches and strategies, especially when it comes to investment. If you find this helpful in any way, please just hit the like button and share this video. That is the only way through which I can know the type of excellent content that you enjoy. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I would also love to hear your thoughts about this topic, and you can leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Tell me, I would like to know why you are investing in Bitcoin, or if you are not investing, and I also love to know why you're not doing so. And really, I do appreciate your time for spending watching my videos. So I'd like to say a big thank you for being with me. Until next time, stay green and motivated.